In this video we are talking about if render token is going to the downside or if we see a massive run to the upside. As you can see, we started our bullish move from this demand zone right here in 2021 to the all-time high. From the down to the all-time high we saw a move from 1900%, and from the all-time high to the lowest point we saw a 96% correction. As you can see, render token went back to this demand zone right here where we started the bullish move. We saw a wick down under this low right here. We took the liquidity and then we moved to the upside again. So this is a very good sign that this demand zone right here has held and we saw a bullish correction. As we went out of this zone to the upside, we saw that the render token came back to this supply zone right here. This supply zone right here caused this down move, and as you can see, we find some resistance right here and saw this move to the downside. So from the technical perspective, this supply zone right here is really strong because we saw this explosive move to the downside, and as we came back we saw this reaction right here. But now the question is, are we going to go to even lower levels or do we see a massive run to the upside? First of all, it's a very good sign that we saw this reaction right here in this demand zone, and then we saw this reaction right here in this smaller demand zone, because from this demand zone right here we saw a bullish move to the upside. We took out the last high right here and made a higher high, and now we reacted here with a higher low. So for now we are in a bullish structure, which is a good sign for render token. But what will happen in the next days and weeks? As we go deeper into the chart, we can see more interesting areas. Here we can see this small order block which caused the bullish move to the upside, where we took out the last highs with this highs right here. And as we came back into this demand zone, and especially in this order block, we saw this wicks and bullish reaction right here, and now we are going to the upside. So the chance that we see a bullish reaction from this zone right here is very high, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. As I'm always saying in my videos, it's very important that Bitcoin is going to the upside, because then the chance is more high that the other altcoins are going to the upside as well. And so here was a very good chance to buy some render token. But for now I would be very cautious because we are in the middle of this area right here. So I would wait till we come back to this area right here, we see some bullish reaction and go to the upside, then I would buy some coins for my hodl portfolio right here. But just if we see a bullish reaction. If anything interesting is happening at render token, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next updates on render token. But the chance that we go directly to the upside is also very high. So I would wait till we break this high right here, because then we are in a bullish structure on the daily time frame. The next important resistance is this supply zone right here, because this supply zone caused this move to the downside. And if we break this supply zone right here, I think that there are very high levels for render token. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. Comment down below which altcoin I should make a video about in the next videos, and I wish you really great profits in trading. I wish you the best and see you in the next one.